All right, so here we go. I should just stand like this.
Sure.
I feel like I'm a lot taller.
That's all right. I'm little.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Caroline. It's my husband, Jeff. And this is our second van that we have built out to our needs. And we're really excited because it is so much fun going in a van, taking everything with you, and exploring all the outdoors. So, we're going to give you a little video of the special features in our second van, and you can enjoy them whenever.
Yeah, our first van, we traveled about 40,000 miles all over the country. It was a Ford, and it was the extended long version. And our challenge with this one was to try to fit in everything we liked about the first van, but in a 144 wheelbase. So this van was more of an engineering challenge because some of the features we wanted was a queen size bed where we don't have to climb over each other. We needed the porta potty. We needed power. We needed storage. We needed shoe storage. You'll see as we go through it, there's quite a bit of features that
Hat place.
that we've added to this van we didn't have in the first one. So we're looking forward to doing some traveling and sharing it with you.
So I'm going to step in by using my personal belt so I don't fall backwards like an old person. And the interior is pretty compact. One of the most important things is food. So our refrigerator, which is also served with a little cushion that I made, and this refrigerator is amazing. It is made by Iceco, and we like the way it opens up really easily. And inside, I just use my little thing there. Actually, I use my coat. That's how I use it. It keeps it open. But this goes like this, so you can really pack it in, layer food, vegetables, etc. We do have another cooler in the back for beer and wine because those are important things when you're on the road.
And these two sections, the section in the back can be a freezer if you want with this particular model. We tend to just use the entire thing as a fridge, and it
Plenty of room.
has got tons of room, so works really well.
So I'm going to shut that with the little thing, and I'll put my little cushion back because that way Jeff can sit here and put his feet on the cushion and relax. And I happen to like this little seat right here, which I will tell you about in just a minute. But I like sitting here. I can put my feet up too, but I like sitting here and waving. So I'm going to show you this beautiful red seat is a potty. Yes, we do need to use the potty. And the potty is great. We only use it to do number one because it's just easier. We just don't want to deal with number two. So we go in campgrounds. Not a problem for us.
And this is designed to easily be emptied by untying that little rope and then opening this cabinet door, and this whole thing can just slide right out.
I'll show you while we were on refrigerator. People always say, where are we cooking? But right in here, we have two little cook stoves, which are really awesome. Usually we have a picnic table, not a problem, but if it's cold and we want to cook inside, basically these cook stoves are like having a gas stove. We have two of them. You can put one here, but you know, and you just turn it on, boop, you can cook anything. It's having a gas stove. And then of course laundry is an issue, and it's easy come. This is by the company Living in a Bubble, which has really cool stickers and really cool stuff. They're amazing. But this is a laundry bag, and it has two sections, one for wet stuff, which of course most of it is because you're sweaty, and the rest, but it closes up nicely, and it has a little place here for laundry detergent, etc. but I just love living in the bubble. It's a great company, and I would so look at their website and check out all their cool things.
All right, show them the sink.
So, the sink. Okay. So we love our sink for a number of reasons. This is a cutting board, which we can easily put up here when we don't want to use it. But right now, our sink is like a boat. You basically use it with your foot, a nice little foot pedal, so you can wash your hands, but then you don't have to waste water. You can brush your teeth and then put the water on, because you shouldn't be wasting any water for many reasons. The other thing about our sink, it's nice and deep, but you can, which I'll show you in a minute, you can take a shower outside, because Jeff will let me shower me in my hair. But this window is really great. Basically, it is easy to do. Flip, flip, and then you have a little click, and it will stay there. Or you go, wait till the click. There's another click, and it will stay there. And it has a screen if you don't want bugs, which we don't want bugs. And that, I think, is a Mercedes.
No, it's not Mercedes.
It's not Mercedes.
No, it was.
But anyways, and then there's also shade at night, so people don't creep on you at night, because everything has the lights on and everyone can see. But I want to show you my shoe storage. Check it out. Hiking shoes. I can fit all the shoes in here. I think that Jeff even has some shoes over here, because there's no floor space to put icky shoes. So lots of shoes. And it's empty right now. Believe me, it will be full. Love my shoe storage. These pillows here act as our privacy at night. These are cubbies for more clothes or more stuff.
This is how they work. You just undo that, and then you can have access, and then just loop that elastic back around there.
And that way, they just
keeps
stay.
everything in place.
Yep, everything kind of. All these are good for towels, hanging. You always have stuff to hang. Okay, so I want to show you how much storage we have here, because there's a lot. On top of all here, we have 3 drawers. The top being a thin one, it comes out really far. They all come out really far, and you can load them up. Double stack, 3 drawers here. Double stack. We have something under the sink. We have all kinds of things under the sink. We have these. Again, they all come out really far. They're deep. They work really well. They lock shut. You've got wastebasket here. You've got extra storage underneath my shoe bin, believe it or not. And under here, there's another basket full of goodies that we store, peanuts and olives and all kinds of things. And in here we have a junk drawer, because everyone needs a junk drawer.
All right, we're going to demonstrate how the bed goes from a day bed to a night bed. So this little cord here comes undone, and this has some pulleys running to the back. We take the bed and slide it forward while lowering the back. So now that was it. Now it's folded down.
Go ahead, Jeff, climb up.
So you can climb up. So here we have
Don't you dare put your shoes on that bed.
a full size
And you can see
queen bed, plenty of room.
And you can see that it comes to this spot where you climb off the bed to go to the bathroom at night.
Yep. All right, so now we're going to put it back in place. It's daytime. Ready to fold the bed back up. Pull the back up. Push the bed in.
Pulley system.
And now you're back the way we
like
started.
Sailing a boat.
And then just tie it off.
And then you can get to your shoes
and there you have it.
because it's daytime.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how much room there is in the back of the van. This is our rug that we had lying along the side there, and we have a lot of stuff in here, but you should be able to see how much room there is. We have a little spot for the rug. It slides right in here like that. Right over here we have our chairs. This is a 33-gallon water tank. That's where you fill up, and 33 gallons, if we're careful, will last us about 3 days. This is our extra cooler. We've got a couple of boxes full of camping equipment. We've got a 10 by 10 tent. These are our leveling blocks, and we have room still for more stuff in there. But you can see how much room you have when the bed is elevated up this high off the ground.
What about living in the bubble?
Here's our little hat storage.
So they don't get squished?
So they don't get squished. And then here we got storage for scarves or secret storage, a little pocket.
Secret storage, living in a bubble.
Storage.
They're magnetic. They're so awesome, and it gives a little bit of insulation when it's chilly at night.
Yeah. So there you have it. That's the end of the tour.